area of a circle. So the area of a circle is as follows. It is area is equal to pi times the radius squared, or we can say area is equal to pi radius squared, because pi is just really equal to 3.14, and then there's other numbers, but we'll just keep it as 3.14. Now, the radius is halfway across the circle. We will label the unit of measurement by adding the squared symbol to indicate that the number represents the area. And then lastly, the diameter is the entire length of the circle. And so what we need to do is we need to divide the diameter in half to determine the radius. So the diameter would be like this, and then the radius is just halfway. Now let's look at an example. Example 1. The cylinder's diameter is 4 inches. Find the area of the top of the cylinder. So we have our formula, area is equal to pi r squared. So we see we have the diameter of 4 inches. So what we're going to have to first do, as the diameter is 4, the radius is 4 divided by 2, which is just equal to then 2. So now we can find our area. So we have pi r squared. So we have 2 squared. So we'll get our calculators out. We can go 2 times 2 times 3.14, which is equal to 12.56 inches squared. Now let's continue on to the next example. Example 2, the gasoline tank's diameter is 10 inches. What is the area? So we're looking at just the area of this circle on the top. So once again, we have a diameter, so we're going to need to go ahead and take the diameter of 10, and we're going to take the radius, and we're going to find it by going 10 divided by 2. So the radius is now equal to 5 inches. Now our area is pi r squared. So we have 3.14 times the radius squared. So 5 squared. 5 squared just means 5 times 5. Now instead of putting 3.14, we can use this pi button right here. Gives us the pi number. We're going to go ahead and then multiply it times 5, which is equal to 78.54 inches squared. Now, if we were to do 5 times 5 times 3.14, we would get 78.5, which is very similar to our answer here. When you go into WOMAP, it will accept either answer.